Yes, ready. I think it will not be correct also on my part to give all the details and to say how it is going to hamper investigation and our relations with the foreign powers. Stop. That is the different way of putting the same questions. Stop, sir. I cannot be trapped that way. There were two or three issues which were raised by the honorable members. Stop. One is about the foreign policy and the second is about the nature of documents which were passed on and the third is about the kind of rumors which have been allowed in Delhi and whether the government is in a position to clarify the position and give some kind of an assurance that only these persons are involved and not others. Stop para. Sir, so far as the foreign power is concerned, I think the honorable members should be able to appreciate the government position in this. Stop. It was at the instance of government of India that a particular officer attached to a foreign power had to be withdrawn. Stop. But it will not be in the national interest to name the country because after all it is going to hamper both the investigation of the case and also our relations with the foreign powers. Stop. These are the two aspects which we have to keep in mind. Stop. And that is why it will be difficult for the government to name any particular foreign power which is involved in this. Stop. Sir, I think the honorable members, while asking the questions themselves, have said that this is not the only power and that you have to find out as to which is the real power which is in fact interested in getting this kind of information, whether one agency or the other, whether the CIA, the KGB or some other agency. Stop. The honorable member mentioned it. Stop. I am not mentioning this. I am merely repeating what the honorable member has said. Stop. Para. You are at liberty to say whatever you like. Stop. But I think I have heard all the honorable members. Stop. You have to listen to me. Stop. Then you will be able to appreciate, sir, some agent of a foreign power was succeeded in getting the information. Stop. Honorable members themselves have said that actually this is not the end product. There are other agencies who are in fact interested in getting this kind of information stop. So you yourselves are not satisfied. Stop. Things are still to be investigated. Stop. We have to find out which are the other links, which are the powers which in fact are getting this information from the agent who succeeded in getting this kind of information. Stop. So unless the investigations are complete, it will not be fair on my part either to name this agency or that agency, and it is not even a week that this attempt has been made. Stop. Another honorable member said that this has been going on for quite some time, and how it that this information was not disclosed to the country. Stop. I think the honorable members will be able to appreciate the fact that the information is being collected in a continuous manner. Stop.